Hello, this is Vincent Monardo. This is our third video progress report for the Speak Easy project for Capstone. So we're just going to talk a little bit quickly on our progress through determining the scope of our project and developing the different speech and signal processing toolboxes that we need for Android that we'll be using as we move forward with building our prototypes of our application.
So a lot of what we've done is research different techniques that speech pathologists use to treat patients. We're going to be focusing on Parkinson's disease in particular, just to narrow it down. A lot of the speech pathologist's job focuses on correcting obviously like speech abnormalities, but also with other functions such as swallowing. But mainly focusing on the speech portion. There's a few different exercises that a speech pathologist might use, and those target things such as like the pace at which the patient speaks, the volume at which they speak, and which facial muscles they exercise. So there are definitely some ways to target these types of treatments using a phone application. A couple examples of that would be the patient repeating a particular phrase that might exercise certain muscles, or respond to a question and have the program analyze things like the speaking rate and volume and stuff like that.
So since we've settled on using Android as our platform, everything that we write needs to be in Java. So we've settled on using JTransforms, which is a Java library for signal processing, and it's all open source. It's the fastest implementation in Java of signal processing libraries that's available. So next up is doing some more in-depth research on options for neural network implementations in Java.
And going forward, what we need to be doing is interviewing with a licensed speech pathologist here at ASU and focusing on exactly what therapies will be implemented using our application. In addition, we'll be working on the final project and the second progress report, which is coming up this Friday. That's been Speak Easy. Thank you for listening.